How to use aloe vera for hair growth. Aloe vera is a unique plant that originates from India, but it is now found all over the world. It is a medicinal plant that has been used to treat various health conditions for thousands of years. And as you'll soon find out, promoting natural hair growth is a key benefit of using this world-renowned plant. Hey guys, welcome back to the 𝐻𝐵𝐴 channel. If you're interested in hair care, hair growth tips and solutions, or just general hair talk, make sure to subscribe to the channel as we aim to provide you with all the answers to your hair questions. Okay guys, so we have an amazing video for you today. In this video, you're going to discover how you can use a little plant that you can actually grow in your backyard as a natural remedy for hair growth. And yes, as we said earlier, this plant is known as aloe vera. The aloe vera plant has long leaves which has numerous spikes on the edges. However, whenever you cut the leaves, they contain a gel-like substance, and this gel-like substance has been used for the treatment of numerous hair-related problems. This is because it has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, it is rich in vitamins and nutrients, and it improves the quality of air around it. You can use it to strengthen your hair and make the scalp healthier as well. And for maximum benefit, we'd recommend using the raw gel. However, if you are unable to get the raw gel, you can visit your local hair store and you should be able to find a natural source of aloe vera gel. Now here's how to use this hair growth remedy. Using your fingertips, take a generous amount of aloe vera gel and rub it into your hair, making sure that it penetrates your scalp. This way it will be readily absorbed by your hair follicles. Let the gel sit in your hair for at least 1 hour and then wash it out with a mild shampoo. By the way, for added benefits, you can also use aloe vera based shampoos and conditioner. So check out the links below this video to see the brands we recommend. You can use this aloe vera for hair growth remedy as much as possible. Actually, we'd recommend at least 3 times per week for best results. And that's it for this video guys. We hope you enjoyed it and we'd love to hear your experience with this remedy. So leave a comment below to share your experience. And thank you so much for watching. Also, please don't forget to leave a like, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in our next video.